We talk a little bit about electric vehicles on here. Of course, we talk about Tesla. But in an exciting development here, the traditional North American automakers, they're getting interested in electric big time. And no bigger than this recent story that I got right here, where Ford showed off an electric F-150 capable of towing 1 million pounds. Will. Now, one thing you need to understand about why this is important is because the F-150 is an incredibly popular vehicle. Popular on a scale that would make the Model S tremble, or the Model 3. You do not understand how many F-150s are out there and sold on a regular basis. That is the vehicle of America in many ways. So popular. And so to showcase a vehicle this powerful, now if you look at the picture, you could tell it's heavily modified. This ain't, you can't walk into a store and buy this. But what you're trying to do from a marketing perspective is say, hey, what we're working on could have this application in a popular form factor that everyone already knows and loves. And when you go talk to truck guys who buy these things, what are they going to be worried about with electric? I don't know. Is it enough power?
The torque.
Yeah, torque. Can I haul stuff? Yeah. So they go, you're worried about hauling stuff? How about we set you up with 1 million pounds? Now click on the video here. You don't understand. I say 1 million pounds. You think, oh, what is that? 10 double-decker freight cars full of F-150s. He said it's towing other F-150s. That's 42 F-150s. You would never need to tow this. This is 1 million pounds. So it's obviously overkill. It's a marketing stunt, but it serves its purpose. If you thought we couldn't electrify an F-150, here's news for you. Not only can we electrify it, but it'll knock out anything you ever did on gasoline if we wanted to. It's a proof of concept. It's nothing more than that, but it's very exciting to know that not only are the big automakers also invested in this new technology, but they're also capable of putting it into the tried and true form factors. That will, futuristic cars don't have to look like alien spaceships. That like the benefits could show up in form factors that people are already comfortable with and therefore impact the market more rapidly. Again, cost is going to be a big component. But if you can have two options inside of a Ford dealer, you have an F-150 electrified with a little bit more power, more potential than the gas version. Obviously, there's going to be drawbacks with electric. But if you could present that to the public, you can increase that electric footprint rapidly. Now, look, they don't have the supercharger network that Tesla has. There's all kinds of hurdles to still overcome. But look at that. They're working on it, and they're showcasing some pretty amazing tech. It is not easy to haul 1 million pounds, will he do? I don't think you ever hauled 1 million pounds.
No, I tried.
Yeah.
Almost broke my back.
Yeah, it ain't going to go well for you. The hitch on your car is just going to snap right off immediately. So it's a proof of concept. I feel the need to say that. Like, people are going to be mad. Tesla fans are going to be like, you can't buy that thing right now. It's true. You can't. But nonetheless, they're at least invested in it. They produced the video. They care. They care about you. Ford will be electrified in the near future.